Hi friends, today I'm showing you the MissBig ring light. This is a MissBig selfie ring light for phone, laptop, camera photography, video conference lighting, makeup light ring, rechargeable portable clip on selfie ring light. This is the ideal ring light selfie kit. So just opening the box. So this is a micro USB cable that is for its charging. This is the clip that you see that would fit on your mirror or on your cell phone or the laptop near to the camera. So here is the charging port that you can put your micro USB in. So once charged completely, you can use this LED light without this cable. So as it seems like there is no charging in it, so I need to put it for some charging so that I can demo the lights here. So let me put the charging cable back in and then putting in the USB, so it starts charging, showing the red dot. So when I now click on the on button, there is a small button in the back. You can see the light is like lower and then mid and then the high setting and then off. So the same button you will press once for the low light, mid light and the high light brightness and then off. So you can see the brightness of this light is good enough for your selfie photos. That actually on the cell phone you can put it like this way. Actually I need to remove the cable to show you the fit on the mobile case. And once you can just put easily on the cell phone and you can see that it will work really great. So this is a nice selfie light that you can use. So it needs a proper charging first, and once it's done it can be used. So but overall it's a good light.